Hey, so all day long, Bruno's been talking about adding power and doing it with a programmer, different options, and this, that, the other. So we got with the guys at Holley for this particular truck right here, and here's some options that we have. Now, this is the Edge EZ, and just like the name implies, it's an easy way to add power.
You know, the name of the game is simple, reliable horsepower and improved throttle response. This is what you go with because you plug it in. It's simply plug and play. There's no cutting, no splicing, no messing with the factory harness at all, and there's no complicated tuning. They give you different programmable levels you can go to, pick what you want, and go. It's just that easy.
You can adjust on the fly. You know, you hook this right to your smartphone through the app, and you're just choosing. You know what I mean? So now you've got trailering confidence and throttle response. Like you said, it's all good.
Matt, we're talking about significant horsepower gains in torque. You know, at peak, 64 horsepower and as much as 140 foot-pounds of torque. That's big.
That is big, and that should be enough for everybody. But some people want even more control, and that is where the Insight CTS3 comes in. And you have more control, like some, you know, you can run your DPF regens. You know, you can do that manually. And you can also do live data streaming and all that right there on the display. And you can just monitor all that, everything that's going on.
You have data, your accessibility to make sure everything is in the parameters you want it to be. So you can run this unit as a standalone. You don't have to pair it with the Edge. So if you're not looking to get performance gains, you just want to monitor and data log, this can be run on its own. Now, the cool thing is, when it comes to removing it, you don't have to reflash anything or do anything like that to the ECM. You simply unplug it, and it goes back to the factory truck settings without a trace.
Well, how about this? How about we get these installed in this truck, and then we can take a look at some of that stuff we were talking about, have some fun with that, right?
I like
and then once we're done, we can take a look at some other options for other vehicles.
So Matt has gone ahead and done the wiring underneath the hood and the wiring on the inside of the truck. Well, all you had to do is plug into the OBD2 port, and this thing is powered up and ready to go. You know, one thing we didn't mention, a cool feature, is the fact that we've got bigger wheels and tires on this thing. So that's going to affect the speedometer and your mile per hour readings. With this, you can pre-program things so you'll get the right miles per hour going down the road to account for that bigger tire. All right, so we're going to take a break. When we come back, we're going to give you guys a couple different options for some different applications. Cool stuff. Hey, welcome back. You know, we've been talking about tuners for different applications, and we showed you what we're using for that 2500 GMC. Now, when it comes to different brands and different applications, we're going to make it kind of simple. If you've got a diesel, you go with the Edge line. Now, if you go in with a gas product, well, then it's where the DiabloSport comes into play. So this is specific for the Grand Wagoneer, the Wagoneer, as well as the Ram 1500. This DiabloSport Cat6 module will add up to 78 horsepower in the high-output Ram 1500 like the RHO, which equals huge gains in acceleration. In terms of the way it installs and the way it works, very similar to what we just showed you with the GMC product, you know, about a few minutes ago.
So this is also for gas. This is for GM products, right? And this is the Range DFM Disabler, and that is the dynamic fuel management. See, that's when you got your V8, and then it cuts a couple cylinders out, all in the name of fuel management,
right.
You know, and you really don't have any control over it. Well, now you do. And another thing you can do is shut off that auto start-stop, right? So this just plugs right in line under the hood, right there where the computer plug is. Unplug that, patch this in line, and it connects Bluetooth to your phone, so you can actually control it. You know, maybe you're okay with the dynamic fuel management at certain times, but maybe you're pulling a trailer and you don't want that for one reason or another, so you can turn it on and off. It's just another great way to control it, and that's what it's all about, really, with all of these products under the Holley umbrella, is you getting that individual control that you want in your vehicle.